Good morning, everyone. Hi, are you able to hear me? You're not, I'm on mute. Good morning. Are you able to hear me? Just give me 1 second. Something is wrong with my mic. 1 second. I was not able to hear you earlier, so I thought it was my mistake. We are not able to hear you. Aishin, are you able to hear us? No sound. Okay, you can type in the chat box. Let me just turn on the chat box. Others, please turn on your camera. Barira, Ishan, Alfateh. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Also, I need to meet all of your parents. So, after every hour, I would like to meet one parent. Which parent is available now? I have to meet everyone. I think your mama is available? Okay. We'll go to the
Okay,
breakout
Simran,
room.
you want to meet our parents?
Yes, all the parents. So, after each hour, I'll
Uh,
meet one parent for just 5 minutes.
actually alone today.
Okay, let's do tomorrow, Aishan.
And
First, we'll meet you. Yes.
not only today, like the whole week, I'm alone.
What about your father? We can meet other time, not during school time. They will come in the evening, right?
My mom has school. She's a
No.
teacher.
Ma'am, my mom will
She had to
come
go
in
to
the
school.
evening.
So we can meet your father, Ishan. It doesn't have to be mama. We can meet
Ma'am, my
father.
mom is here at home.
There's another problem. My father is
Father is?
in Qatar. He's
So
an army.
who are you living with right now?
Yeah, with my mother. She'll come at evening.
So we can meet in the evening. I'll set up a special time for her to meet. Sounds good?
Evening 3 o'clock or
Ah,
2:30.
okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just talk to her. I have her number.
Ma'am,
1 second.
ma'am,
I am sending you to the breakout room. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'll be coming there. 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, Aishan? Yes. Who was that?
ma'am, my mom is here. She can talk
Up.
to you right now.
Can we do it after the first hour? Will Mama be available as soon
Yeah.
as first hour ends?
Okay.
Okay, I'll join this class. Make sure you don't leave. Okay?
I don't have
Thank you,
to.
Alfateh.
I don't have to.
Lazy?
Where
What?
do my mom stay? In this room
Ma'am,
or that room? In Bayans.
So she'll be there,
ma'am,
right? Yes, Amila.
ma'am, yeah, my mom is, uh, I will meet my mom next period.
Okay, how about the second hour? After the second hour, is it fine? As soon as the hour ends?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, first hour, Alfateh, your Mama, after first hour is ending. Okay?
What
Alfateh?
class are we supposed to join?
Same class here only. As soon as the class ends, all the kids will leave, right? After the first hour ends. We have 20 minutes break. So as soon as the class is ending, I'll join. You just be here. Don't leave when others are leaving. Same with
Can
Amila.
I also join?
I just
I
need
promise.
Mama. If your guys
I'm
are
free.
not available, it's fine. Just wait till Mama and me meet. After that, you can leave. Sounds good?
Okay, so should I
Ma'am, which
join here at 3 o'clock or not?
I'll tell you after a while. Because right now Mama is not there, right?
Yeah.
So today I'm going to meet three parents. One is Aishin, Alpatif after the second hour, Amila after the sorry, Alpatif after the first hour, Amila after the second hour. Okay, Amila?
okay.
Yes, Haya. Chat box. Okay. I don't see any message in the chat box. Milan, when can I meet your mama or papa?
What?
I have to meet all the parents. So when can I meet your mama? Is she available at home?
One
Good,
second.
good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Haya, you have to put it in the chat box. Barira, turn on your camera. Those who are not turning on camera, you know I'm not going to give. What happened? Nothing happened. Amina, while you're chatting, you can just unmute yourself. I have opened the chat box only for Haya because she's not able to speak up. Ishan, turn on your camera. Milan, Barira, how about after the third hour? Is that fine? That's fine, right?
Second class. Second class.
Second class. Second class, I'm meeting Amila's parent. How about after the fourth class? Last class is okay?
Okay.
Okay. So today I'm meeting four parents. Rest of the parents I'll meet tomorrow. Sounds good? Okay. You guys talk till then. I'll just
Ma'am, I'm in spelling bee, okay?
uh, spelling bee are there. Laser or write your name. See, first competition is our
Ma'am,
spelling bee, November
ma'am,
5.
I go to meet and there is
Spelling
so tough,
has to spell
so tough, tough,
500
tough,
words.
tough words in there. Not like imagination, like that tough words.
That is why we have that competition, right? It's a
There's
competition.
like 500 words.
I'm not there, okay?
You're not there, Amila?
Yeah, I'm not sure. My mom tell me that.
Amila is not there in spelling bee. Laser is there,
Mm,
right?
I'm not there.
Okay. Can
I
you just
need to
give
ask my mom one time. That's why I'm.
can you ask and tell me by tomorrow? Okay?
Yeah,
I'll just
okay,
meet
okay.
Aishan and come. Barida, okay, I can see that. Give me 1 second, people. Till then you can talk. Hi Aishan. Is Mama there?
Yes.
Hello ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
I just wanted to see how Aishan is doing right now.
Don't make it echo.
Aishan, come sit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I just wanted to see how Aishan is doing right now. I'm just taking the updates whether improvements are there, how are they behaving in class, I mean school, home and all. How is she doing?
Yeah, too many improvements are there. Of
Improvements
course,
are
I
there.
must say that, yeah.
Definitely she's doing
Because
very,
whatever programs is there, no, she's just participating in it by self, right?
yeah, she
I
gave me
didn't know anything
to,
because yeah, I'm going to work, and after that, as I'm pregnant, no, I'll be coming and just taking my bed to take a sleep. Then she'll be here and do that, and then she, after me wake up, she will tell me that what are the things she has to do, and she's uploading right now. Earlier, I want to say that whatever to check everything and to upload, right? Now she's doing by herself,
I'll say two
and
things. Like she's very confident nowadays. She's speaking up. So that
yeah,
is
yeah, yeah,
very good.
sure. I told to my sister also. Too many improvements is there regarding her language also.
Yes, that is
Speaking well.
true. When
Yeah.
she joined at that time, she was like, so her language has improved a lot. That is one good thing. Actually, teachers
Yes.
are saying all good things. So it's like nothing negative or nothing bad right now. Only thing some of the
Uh,
words are not uploaded. Some words.
now,
Yes. I think science, it is
when
previous
I checked,
team,
everything was there. Which
last
all the
thing,
works are there you didn't upload?
some words.
Uh,
I just wanted to
let me check.
update you. Yeah, because these works contain nearly 40 to 45% marks this time
Yeah.
in the winter term. So I just want her to
Okay.
get that mark.
Okay.
Apart from
Okay.
that, how is her studies going?
St- uh,
Like she's able to understand the things better than last time.
Yeah, she understand right now. I can say that sometimes she's acting herself as a teacher and telling something to her door. At that time I can hear something with a concept learned from the class.
Oh, that's very nice. Means I got like I'm not taking class right now. I'm just on the assembly, but I'm getting lots of positive feedback. Ashwin has improved a
Mashallah.
lot. So,
Okay.
especially
If
topics.
any bad comments regarding the discipline or if she is not studying
Discipline,
anything,
we have no problem.
you
Only
should message me because as I am not be here, no, I will be leaving at 6:30. Now I have the term break, 1 week leave.
I have
So
to just get her to open the camera. That is one problem I'm facing. Ashwin, come
oh,
on, turn on the camera. But once she opens, she
oh,
doesn't close. The starting
oh,
trouble is there, no? That is there.
uh,
We just have to remove that also.
oh, inshallah, I will try.
Also, we introduced one theme-based curriculum. Have you noticed that all the
Yeah,
subjects will be related to the
yes,
same thing?
yes, yes,
So
yes.
I just wanted to know whether this is helping her or the previous last term, how we were doing that is better. Like now, one concept is there, all subjects will be related to that concept.
Yes. Uh, I didn't see any entrances for that.
So anyway, but now just take a close look. Maybe I'll meet you after 1.5 months again. Just see how the
Okay,
theme base is working for her.
of course.
Also, one more thing, she has joined in both the competitions. Spelling bee is there. She has given her name, mini news
Oh,
reporter.
oh,
Like she will act like she's a reporter and she will present a piece of news.
okay.
Also, mage
So,
coins are there. Have you heard of
mm-hmm.
mage coins?
Yeah, she told me, Baba, I have 2 coins you were selling to your father.
She has more than that, I guess. I also gave her some coins, but we cannot reveal the
Oh,
coins yet.
yeah.
So I think Aisha is doing very well. She's
Oh,
speaking up. That is one good thing I felt right now.
sure, of course. I can realize that.
Just push her a little more. I don't have
Of
anything
course.
negative, but today morning someone told me just some of her works are pending. So I thought anyway
Oh,
I'm meeting the parents. I'll just definitely inform her.
okay, I will check today. Now I have an appointment at 7:30. So after that coming, I will check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Just tell me
Okay.
her update in WhatsApp also. If anything is
Okay.
happening, like she's sad or anything, just message me. I'm there. I'll just talk to her.
Time of we are shifting our room no while we returned from the Kerala to here we shifted our old room to a new room now. At the time she was facing from Trivandrum because another location, another families are there in the villa. That's it was for the just 1 week, and Aisha ma'am also messaged me what happened to her regarding everything. Later it became okay.
Now she's fine. Just also
Okay.
help her with the competition. I want her to be.
Of course, of course.
And it consists of mage coins are there for the
Earlier,
competition.
while some video programs were there, no, it was me who creating the draft for her. Now, no script is there, nothing is there. While I'm coming, she is saying that I have to take a video, these all the things, and she will be getting ready. I will just switch on the camera only. So I can see the very drastic improvement there. Sure.
So that is okay. Just update me if anything is there. Update me in WhatsApp.
Okay.
I'll be there in WhatsApp also.
Okay.
Thank you
Okay,
so much,
ma'am.
ma'am, for taking
Okay.
your time. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, people. Amina ma'am is here. Okay. So enjoy your class. Have fun. Bye bye. Al-Fatih, don't
Bye.
forget, after the first hour, I have to meet your mama, so stay back here as soon as math class is
Mom,
over. Yes, Haya?
Mom,
Just
Alpha
one
right?
second.
Alpha is mom, right? Not mine.
Second hour is your mom, Amila. After the second hour.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
people. Bye
And
bye.
mine is the
Bye.
third hour.
Yes, I'll message you. Haya, yours is the third hour, Haya. Third hour, okay?
Maria, check it.